Hello and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Person with disabilities JP Rintathyang received 3-wheeler. District authorities organized cleaning drive around Motpran in Shillong. Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya apprises Meghalaya Chief Minister to upgrade all ad hoc schools to deficit school. And Kasur Erngiu Ginong Sora condemns police killing of surrendered HNLC. Thank you. And now the news in detail. A person with disabilities, JP Rintathyang, today received a 3-wheeler from the Chief Minister, Konrad K. Sangma, at a simple program held at the main secretariat in Shillong. Rintathyang, a successful entrepreneur who hails from Maublay village under Mairang Civil Subdivision, was appreciated with a 3-wheeler for being a success entrepreneur despite being physically handicapped. Rintathyang is also one of the successful participants of the Entrepreneurship Award. Speaking on the occasion, Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma said that his government encourages entrepreneurship in the state and that all the technical and financial support are given to entrepreneurs to ensure that their work is successful. He also said that he was very happy that the latest 3-wheeler developed by one of the companies in the south was given to Rintathyang so that he could have access to faster mobility to attend to his work.
Yeah, so if you remember, Mr. Rintathyang, the last e-challenge program of the entrepreneurship program that we had, he had received an award for the entrepreneurial work that he is doing. And in that program, when we had seen, and all of us had seen the challenges that he faces, I had announced that day that we'll be giving him at least a mobility vehicle or some sort of support from the government side, and we're very lucky that during that time this new technology was introduced by some individuals in Chennai, and so the timing was very good, and we were very happy and thankful to the entire team, especially Mr. Raju and the entire team in the social welfare department and other individuals who were involved in this to be able to make this happen today. So I'm very thankful to them, and I hope that this unit will really be of great help to Mr. Rintathyang. At the same time, I'm also hopeful that his entrepreneurial ventures that he's doing will also be an example to other differently abled people in our state to realize that that these challenges should not stop them from achieving their dreams and moving forward, and that whatever the support from the government side is there, will always be there to help them and support them. But it is the courage inside and the will and the strength that they must have to move forward. And he's a shining example of that.
On the other hand, Rintathyang said that the vehicle will facilitate better functioning in his work.
Ngajak untuk dia kena istar untuk ICM kan. Di untuk bila kula dengan tugas ni buat dia nanti kuno buat dalam yo kor kibol semua kawan. Dia hadir besar datris tersia kan. Hadir kata ni pat bila yo menguatkan kita.
The Office of Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District, under the leadership of Incident Commander, along with Wat Thabru Dorbar Shnong, Seng Samla Wat Thabru, Assistant Commissioner of Food Safety, vendors of Motpran, organized a cleaning drive around Motpran in the heart of Shillong city on Saturday. The program was assisted by Shillong Municipal Board and Fire and Emergency Services. The Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya today met the Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma and apprised him on the need to upgrade all the ad hoc schools ranging lower primary school to higher secondary school. Talking to the media after the meeting with the Chief Minister, the President of the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, Kenneth Shadap, termed the meeting with the Chief Minister as fruitful. Shadap informed that the Chief Minister assured the Federation that he would look into the grievances and also told the high officials of the Education Department to take note on today's discussion with these teachers.
Nila semua tenak ba dapat dinyatakan nila on pek ba adien pangimi namni mo kinong hikai ba ro ka jakasti ki ap yang ia ka kubur mo kim kwa asu banyo semua ya kata ka kubur ka masu om ap si ap dan rei menta kasni ni semua scam nomor lakot ru yo director anta lakot ru saya iwe officer ka education department maka ai ka bangyakran la not daw namto nila kerpat di khotno yani apo Oktober dan rei ompek ngadang butkam pala do Oktober lakum no apo uno bangbar sakot di laong ye gitu ki officer jonggi ki badan anturu semua bahan not daw bahan pendap no ikikam barokan apo no bangbar sakot kebalai ka simpor sa si benai namar ba apek ya ka financial condition dalam kumno ka pisah ka tangka ka biang na am ban aya kata ka jingawa mo nagtagadaw kay tamangiru nila menjuri bat mingat hiba kane ka jimyakran kalong ka jimyakran ka basa iso bat ni semua skam ado kata-kata ba na kaliang siam inle ya kay ka ba hatam na kabenta dia tapi siam ka upa ka state ka aperkat ko ya pun kiwe kategori semua dan rei mani pat ni ong tiap singkya ka ni kini namar balai kini kila terus kaya ka arpusan sinan mo nak kita tahu lakum no damu akan upgrade ya kisah kan dan mau upgrade no ya kisah kan mairu ila note down ini karena bak ingat sekali kan kalau kan ai kan kita speak dan ai player ya di media no dan baju di saya normal ni dai barokat speak barokat no dan baju.
A sizable number of people attended the public gathering organized by the newly formed organization Kasur Erngiyukino Sora on Saturday, protesting the police killing of surrendered HNLC on the 13th of last month. Speaking on the occasion, leaders of Kasur Erngiyukino Sora demanded that the state government should suspend the police personnel, including the Director General of Police, SP of East Janta Hills and Traffic SP involved in the killing of Thank You. One of the speakers said, "It is time for the state to produce bureaucrats and IPS to man the state, so such incidents would be avoided in the future." Kasur Erngiyukino Sora also organized a signature campaign at Yoba Sora to condemn the Maulai Motsiar incident. A candlelight vigil was also organized on the occasion.
Kumbalakran mano kadai ka history banadu usnam nye puar banglayo ya ka jingalot wapura ne ka state hot ba niyo I ya ka sarkar kadai ka bamler tam nakatadaw nidat kam bankhot banwering khon samna ki badal ka jintule ba kinyak hon ya ki kamba fair kamtam yak amsrete bangide ban bat akti yak IPS IAS nidai ban say minta kamtam ni kilong keme kilong kupa nidai ban nang penstar yalaki khon ikti nang ban niyo bi sersyar dalade yalade ap jingma na kabenta jingi kamtam bangiyo I bala board lu konstitusi nakin repautli lawan daw par jella nakataka daw ni page minta UDGP UWSP kidai kiai kile hato kidai kijat kido Islam kijongi kata kawai ka ba ka jingkeli kada ben bu na ko benta jingi iwei pa iwei hato kidai kido Islam kijongi Ibadan keti ban penyap ibak syeres tangkil. Da kawai ke jimut bat kawai ke sur ngin pener ngiu ya ke jat ke khong ya ke Shillong ke thau ya ke riba ie ke pri jong nyau trap. Kumba fikir mau nang aslam menta ya ulur syah jota lap liap kaki karbon gali hampir po syah mati ya ke isu bagi.
One person lost his life when the speeding scooty in which he was sitting dashed against a truck at Shillong in Ribhoi district. The driver of the scooty received minor injuries and the person, Bashan Rimpe, who sat behind him, succumbed to his injuries. The mortal remains of Putmuri headman Sylvester Kurba was laid to rest amidst tearful mourners at the Catholic Church Putmuri Cemetery in Shillong yesterday. Speakers at the funeral rites eulogized Kurba as a big social worker. His contribution to the society will be cherished by everyone. The funeral rites were performed by the Catholic priest, Father Paul Olincott, in which priests, sisters, relatives, friends and public were present. Speaking on the occasion, the secretary of Seng Samla Maulai Pelun said that Kurba was a courageous person who's not afraid to speak the truth, and he tried hard in fight against menace of drugs.
Handai ujai kakum kaai kakum kerukam kamat unang ilam babat ya kaai babat ya kerukam babat ya kusut kini waktu yang agak jingkar nisni kalau isya masing ya semua bapak sendensu kalau ngelatu sisa unang ilam nakap senang bermuri unang ilam si kat unang ilam kini kan kaba menginginkan sim jemut dan ring jemut Kumjur bangsa ikai na ibabas kum unang ngelam. Baka aru kaba babas kali Shillong ju kali kejingai kaba mangingai. Beriu banyak hak aru sautai hak jingai jengi ikut kesan Katolik kali kejingai ya kekue barang. Aru sautai hak ini barang Katolik kali kesmi jong kamari ateisti. Balai yang bukan saudari nama bayi babes isnaya kau ikut broto jong kamari ateisti hangti hagi ying jeslok jeng kapucin ha umte hangti ha boy rumong. Tungin ya duai. Ablai terakan rak. Dai mami berabo benta bai basel basa korba in wanlang priman bri usa kini ka protection basa ban kamay ya ka kasat te ay hukum benta bakali ka medjo ikan ni na kini ka pulau da ka basan bakham ka jinsa no ai snow mami try kenrat ubalang unang krat and chising kinang solenti nang ponenti Singkong sial singkong rupa, bayi nang gan unang pakang lenti singkin, ni usai te sakhu, ni kawet kawa, to nang loit nang lau, nang tat nang kendat mami, ya kita baro, nang wain poisu saying jumi, dau Chris utrai jumi. Lalu gampo gadwe ganto.
Kipat bak kim dei konsultu pakala. Lama kata kadai kecik imperial. Buat ngilu ngiyang hangnya. Kam sumdei bangilong imperial balafet. Bani yang hak jong pat bak. Nidal maga jong kecing duna. Baru hing bokep bak. Ya ke emlang salang. Kim kit pek sirunjan kita kecing duna. Ada kipat bak kim dei konsultu lah ya kata. Jadi bani maaf ya kelat Ya ke engineer lenti kebai babas ku syakri ku bala syakri la kajang kesenang kata. Bat kan ni engineer lenti kajang babas. Bat ngasong ban ong. Ban nakalian kasang sama malai tulen. Niyok mensi ma ha kapor ke bangi ki pen ke em kasang sama tulen. Tani ngayi kesam ngani tu ipi. Kadai ke wei nak Islam basandor ya kasang sama malai tulen bat pen ke em pat ya ka. Di babas dei wei negeri orang ba ai mensi pada dan rekat bat ni. Di babas usenian iba ilano sagi emlang salang enam laksa kan kelan ya kejingiat dan tiga jong i ban nganut ban ong ba kejingiat dan tiga jong i kung tau sakripat ba lembau lembag kamsnong kalau ba itip ma i ba ke executive committee to kasnong nadu ibadat hadu iba he kata ka bumut nadu grassroots kejingiat dan kinang songsnong tip unong elam snong kata ibangkas rekat maka isi kejong i namar gini maki blokir ba ya ke emlang salang hapo snong buat hal Ibri bukit babak yang orang kesalang lembag senang kata, kitip yang kecing jadi senang jadi nang song senang. Lai kadai baduk pusuk, lai kadai ya bakra bateri, lai kadai ya kena nuru.
O try Jesus Christ. Ubalasa lai singi hapo jentep. To kerku. Bato penkentang ya kini ke jentep. Hawakin ngin buno ya kamet jong iba Sylvester korba. Ngitip bakini kamet kang samipat. Kumba memeru melamipat. To kan syang sup hang ni hadu kata kapor. Wamen kersi yaka takaturo ijang kangel. Mi wa im berbas mencar junam la junam. Amen. Keteng
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.